Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Saturday 4th January 2024. Today UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number first 7, number 15, number 26, number 34, number 43, booster number 4. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number. First number 1, number 11, number 22, number 33, number 49, booster number 27. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.